All right, this is going to be C sharp. I've added the tools library here. I just gave it the same namespace just to make it easy. It could have its own namespace and be, whatever. So here they are. Ask to see the rules. Ask to play again. Is an integer. Get integer input and ask question. Very, very simple. Is an integer, right? Okay. Oh, let's add. I didn't make it pretty. Okay. All right. So in here, what we need to do is we need to say, not that, private tools equals new tools. All right. And then we will, private tools equals new tools. All right. Then we need something. So we'll go private Boolean running. Private Boolean game over. Private integer array digits equals new integer array of 3. 0, 0, 0. Whoops. 0. Whoops, you need to. Okay. Private integer score. And private random equals new random. Environment to count. Okay, there we go. And then I like to go public void run. And this is kind of our main at this. And I say program P equals new P dot run console read line. All right. That makes it pause at the end, right? Okay, so what do we got? So we need to do ask for guess, right? So let's do ask for guess. That's a private integer ask for guess, integer index. I guess it's attempt. And then we say while true. Integer guess equals get integer tools, underscore tools. Get, are those not public? They're all private. Okay, let's take care of that. Whoops. Oh, I got it. Okay. All right, fix that. All right, so tools, get integer input. We're going to pass into it guess number attempt. Yeah. Yep. And then if guess is less than 0, console write line, please guess a non-negative number. Please looks weird to me, but I think it's right. PLEASE. All right. Otherwise, if guess is less than 100 or guess is greater than 999, we'll say console write line. Please guess a number between 100 and 999. Let's say when we say else if, and then when you say else, and then we're going to return guess. There we go. Done. All right, next is display those rules. So we're going to go, this is going to be a private void display rules. Console write line 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's copy and paste out of the design doc. Boom. Boom. Another boom. Then Fermi. And then Bagels. And then you get 20 guesses before you lose. And then CRLF there. CRLF there. All right. That's display the rules. What else do we need? We need display game over. So that's a private void. Display game over. And we say console write line. That's going to be oh well. That was 20 guesses. And then it says console write line. My number was boom, boom, boom. Generate, what do we call this? Make integer from array. Array. And we'll send in, it's not called the digits, it's called digits in this one, right? Digits. All right, got that. Okay, so now we have, we're going to do make integer from array. Whoops. Private integer, make integer from array. And we're going to send in an array. And we're going to return it as digits 0 times 100 plus digits 1 times 10 plus digits 2. There we go. And then we have private integer array, make array from integer, and it's going to take in a number. I think we called this val in. I guess I could read my notes better. How do we do this? It says we need 100 space. Oops. We need 10 space, which is val in minus hundreds times 100 divided by 10. And ones is val in minus 100s times 100. Whoops, come here. Minus 10s times 10. And then we're going to return a new integer. And we'll say hundreds, tens, ones. Should have done that in the other ones. Kind of like it that way. What's our next thing that we haven't done? So display rules, ask for guess, make integer, make array from integer, create the number. Okay. This is going to, okay, so I think this is a private void, create the number. And then this is going to say, we're going to say digits 0 equals generate. Oh, do we not have generate random number? Oh, we should definitely add one of those, shouldn't we? Um, yeah, we should. Let's see. I don't. Where did I put it? Uh, okay, so it needs to go in here. Oh, so this guy really needs the random. So let's go private random equals new environment environment tick count. Okay, and then we can get that out of here. We don't need that here. And then we'll put this back in here. So I didn't do them all. Oops. We'll put it at the bottom. Public integer generate random number integer minimum integer maximum boolean show int number equals random next minimum maximum plus 1, and then if show console write line number return number. Okay, shoot, sorry about that. Generate random number tools, generate random number. It is 1 to 9 false. We need a got digit, right? Boolean got digit equals false. And then while not got digit, I'm a little tired. Then digits 1 is going to be 0 to 9. Oops, 0. And then if digits 0 does not equal digits 1, got digit equals true. All right, got digit equals false. Copy this again. And this is if digit 0 does not equal digits 1 and digits, no, that's not right. Digits 2 does not equal 0 and digits 2 does not equal digits 1. We got the digits. This should be digit 2. I'm going to switch this around just so it's the same way. And then we don't return the digit. We just made it. Okay. That's it. Create the number. What's our next piece? Where are we? Create the number. Check guess. Okay. Check guess is our next deal. All right. So we're going to say this is going to be a Boolean. Private bool. Check guess. Whoa, what just happened? Is our guess global here? No. Okay. So we'll put our guess in. And then we will say integer. What are you doing? Integer temp equals make array from integer. We pass in the guess. Our integer vals. Well, what's going on? New integer 3. Oh, didn't put int. Okay, you like it now? No, because this is not. This should be this. That. All right. So now let's see. We're gonna say let's see, for integer equals, come on, d is less than 3, d plus plus. If temp d equals digits, whoops, digits d, then vals d equals 1. If make integer from array, vals equals 111, return true. You got it. Okay, so then if vals 0 equals 0, then if temp 0 equals digits 1, or, whoops, god dang it, or temp 0 equals digits 2, then vals 0 equals 2. I think we can do this. Shorten it up. Doom. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 2. All right, we got that. So then we want to check that, right? So if make integer from array vals equals 0, then we just console, I'll put on another line. Oh, I'll just do it here. Console, right line bagels. Else, let's do string display equals nothing. For integer d equals 0, d is less than 3, not 4, d plus plus. And then we'll say if vals d equals, whoops, not equals 1, display Fermi, else, insufficient. Else if vals d equals 2, display plus equals pico. And then we'll come down here and we'll say console, right line, display. And the very end will display will return false. Display on the brain. All right. That's all our stuff. Now we go to this. All right. Console, right line. Bagels spelled correctly. C#. Integer guess is 0. Attempt is 0. Running is true. Score is 0. If asked to see the rules, ask tools. Asked to see the rules. Then then display rules. All right. While running, our attempt will equal 1. Oh, I guess I don't have to assign it up here. Our game over is set to false. we create the digits, create the number. All right. Then while not game over, console right line. Oh, whoops. Okay. I have a number in mind. Guess equals ask for guess. Attempt goes in here. And then if check guess, if it's true, then console right line. You got it. Our score increases and our game over, it's set to true. Else, we're going to display game over. Or is that? Oh no, we go attempt plus plus. Then if attempt is greater than 20, then we will display game over. And I'm going to put, like I did before, where's display game over? Say game over. Good Lord. It's true. Okay. That's that. Then what do? We got to find, this is done. So now we're going to console write game over. And then we'll ask to play again. So running equals tools. Ask to play again. And then if it fails that, or if it's false, console right line and console right line. This is going to say, this is going to say a score point Bagels buff. And this is going to say, hope you had fun. Bye. Done. All right, let's see if it runs. I mean, I suspect it will. It's C#. How could it be? How could I have made any mistakes? Do you want to see the rules? Wow, that should work. Yes. Okay, looks good. 111, 222, 333, 44. So it's 41, 416. Yes. Six, 4, 3. No, 6, 3, 4. All right. No. Yep. That was it. Super simple. C#. Right. It's very hard to get C# wrong. You have to really try, like I did. All right. That's it. See you in the next one.